What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on ADA because right now I think that this coin is currently forming here pretty interesting trading setup that I want you to know about. So if you are interested about the exact trade that I'm planning to take here, definitely watch this video till the end because in my opinion it will be really worth it. But before that, I would like to ask you, if you like my videos and you like my analysis, I will be really happy if you hit that like and subscribe button, and also if you type some comment under the video because it will simply help the algorithm to reach out my channel to a new people. So yeah, thank you guys for doing that and enjoy today's analysis. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the daily time frame. If you are watching my channel for a while, you know that I informed you previously about two pumps on this coin. The first one was after breakout and support confirmation here, and in the last video I was talking about this triangle. So you can see again after breakout support confirmation we had here this pretty insane pump. But right now we are testing this bearish order block, which is between levels 0.462 and 0.430. And in my opinion, if certain conditions are met, there will be another good opportunity for opening a short or a long position. Of course, it will depend on the setup that the market will create here. And because we are in the uptrend, let's start with the long scenario. As I said, we are currently testing this bearish order block after a breakout and support confirmation from this previous triangle. This triangle was mainly on that 4-hour chart, but if you watched my previous Cardano analysis, you know what I'm talking about. But right now, to enter a long position, I'm waiting here for a breakout and support confirmation. The support confirmation is extremely important here, and if this condition is met, then I will be thinking about opening here a long position. Stop loss in this case you can put under this bearish order block, because if there will be that breakdown and resistance confirmation, then we are probably going on the, let's say, lower levels. And if you want to choose some take profit targets, I think that you can go here for like a long or a short term trade. If you want to have, let's say, a short-term trade, you can use as your last take profit target this bearish order block, which is between level 0.596 and 0.556. And if you want to go, let's say, for a next bull market trade, you can use as a take profit target this bearish order block, which is between levels 1.24 and 1.16. And as I said in the last video, in my opinion, there is like pretty high probability that Cardano is gonna reach this bearish order block in the upcoming bull market. So the exact long trades can look, for example, like this. Let's start with the first long scenario. As I said, I need to wait here for that breakout and support confirmation, and if this condition is met, then I will be thinking about opening a long position with a stop loss under this bearish order block. The last take profit target you can put to this bearish order block or slightly above, because in my experience there is pretty high probability that if we will hit this bearish order block, we are probably gonna, let's say, swipe the liquidity above, because there is like this another important high, and a lot of people who will start shorting in this bearish order block will probably put their stop losses above this previous high. So we will just swipe the liquidity and then the market can continue to go down. So in my opinion, it's like a lot of times it's worth it to put it just slightly above the current high. So this trade will give you a risk reward ratio like 3.88, but in my opinion there is also a good opportunity or like a good idea to take multiple take profit targets, and some of the profits I would definitely take under this previous high on the level 0.520, and then you can save some moonback or like save some profits under this bearish order block and then save some to the last take profit target. So in the end the risk reward ratio will be, let's say, around 3, which is probably not that good if you are aiming for like 30% of a net profit almost. But the second long scenario is looking, in my opinion, much better. The entry will be valid again after breakout and support confirmation. Again, I need to say that this trade will be probably for at least a couple of months, because in my opinion ADA is not reaching this bearish order block in the next few weeks, and the stop loss will remain the same. This is the beautiful thing about this trade, because there will be like absolutely awesome risk reward ratio. Maybe you are asking why I am like using this small stop loss if I am aiming here for like 170% of the like net profit. And the reason is that there is like no other like interesting place to put your stop loss under. So you can see that we will have here absolutely insane risk reward ratio, because if there will be that breakdown and resistance confirmation, we are probably gonna test like these lower levels, for example these previous lows, and like you don't want to like put your stop loss just under these previous lows, because then the risk reward ratio will be only 6.1 and you are aiming here for like 170% of a net profit. So you don't want to have, let's say, risk reward ratio that is under 15. So as I said, the risk reward ratio right now is around 23, which is in my opinion pretty insane. Definitely take some of the profits under this bearish order block on the daily time frame, because there is pretty high probability that the market can reverse here. So you can take maybe 20% of that position out. You can, for example, move your stop loss to entry, so you can't turn your profitable position into a loss. Then you can take some of the profits under, for example, this previous low, then under this previous high, and definitely save some moon back under this bearish order block. And again, you can use the strategy of the liquidity grab, that you will just like use as your last take profit target the area above this order block. So in the end, as I said, this can give you like estimated net profit around 170%, but again, I need to repeat, this trade will last, let's say, till the next bull market, because yeah, there is no way that Cardano is doing like this big move in, let's say, a few weeks. Under last ADA video, I got a few negative comments, because in that video I said that in my opinion Cardano is not gonna reach the all-time high. And of course, I'm staying behind this my statement. In my opinion, it's like not probable, or like I don't want to take that risk that ADA is gonna reach the current all-time high, because let's say we are still down about 85-86% of a net, let's say, of the net market from the current all-time high. But guys, again, I can be wrong. If you think that Cardano is gonna reach the current all-time high, feel free to open here like a long-term long position, because the estimated profit can be, let's say, around 600%. But in my opinion, it's like not probable. But again, I can be wrong. So just like accept that there are like people here that have like different opinions. And if you believe in this project, just buy it. But in my opinion, for like a long-term hodl, it's like not worth it, and they are simply better projects. And also, you are asking me about the interesting altcoins. So yeah, I am definitely planning to do a video on like one interesting altcoin that I think that really has a purpose. So yeah, I will probably upload the video this month, but of course I can like research the coin more fundamentally, so it will be slightly different video than you are used to. Okay, thank you everybody for watching this video. If you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing the analysis every single day. But anyway, this will be all from me for today. Link to join is in the description or in the comments, and I will see you tomorrow in the next video. See ya.